Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again. Let's look at another SQL query today, which is commonly asked in the interviews. Hi friends, let's get into the action. Let's start with the table. We have the employee table, and here you see that James Smith is having multiple records similar as Michelle Smith. So the objective here is to remove these records and have only the unique records in our table. So one of the approach what we are looking at here is using partition by and order by command. So here we are creating a common temporary expression table. With that, we are creating another column called as row number using row number, and we are calling it as row num. And we are using partition by employee ID and the order by as employee ID. And then what we are doing is we are deleting the records where the row numbers are greater than 1. So let's first look at if we run only this record. If we do that, you see that we have a row number. So for James Smith, we have 4 records. For Michelle Smith, we have 3 records. And for all others, we have all the unique records. So now if I run this entire command, it says 5 rows affected. And if I now run the employees table, I get only the unique records, or the 10 records we had. Let's look at another approach. In this approach, uh, what we are trying to do is we are trying to use distinct command where we are uh, getting the distinct data into a new table called as uh, let's call it as temp2, and then we'll have all the distinct data from this employee table into temp2. What we'll do then is we'll drop this employee table, and this we can do only if we have write access to our database, and we'll move this distinct data back into the employee table from our temp2 table, and then we'll see whether we have the unique records or not. So currently, since I ran this just now, we see 15 records where we again see James Smith and Michelle having duplicate records here with the row employee ID is 1 and 2. So now if I run this query, it says 10 rows affected because we had only 10 unique records. And if I see how does my temp2 table looks, it gives me only unique records. Now in this command, what I'm doing is I'm just dropping the employee table. By dropping, what I mean is I'm going away with the structure also. Okay, so it says command completed successfully. Now I am inserting these records, or I'm creating this table now from temp2, all the data from temp2 and moving it into employee. It says completed and the 10 rows affected. Now if I see, yes. So these two could be the possible answers in any interviews where this question has been asked. But in most cases, the interviewers would expect you to respond with this query. If you respond with these another approach as well, it'll give the sense of knowledge that the person has details about the DDL and DML structured query commands. All right. I hope you enjoyed this short learning capsule. If you like the video, please do not forget to click the like button and also subscribe my channel for the future videos. Thanks for watching.